Today we are making vegan sloppy joes for a picnic at the park. This is an original recipe that I created a while back when I was trying out being vegan for a few months. So first we prepped all of our ingredients. We peeled and shredded one large sweet potato, which ended up becoming about 4 cups of shredded sweet potato. And then we also diced up, I would say about 1/4 of an onion, which became 1 cup. We added 2 tablespoons of olive oil to our pan and let it heat up. And then we're gonna add our 1 cup of roughly chopped onions right into the pan. We're gonna let these cook until the onions are translucent. While the onions are cooking, I'm gonna create my flavor mixture. This mixture includes ground paprika, ground black pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of crushed red pepper if you like something spicy. So let's start with the crushed red pepper. I'm just gonna add 1/4 teaspoon to help with the flavor and make it a little bit spicy. Now I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm gonna go a little heavier on the ground black pepper and add 1/2 teaspoon. And then I'm also gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of ground paprika. And that'll do it. Our onions look translucent. Now we're gonna add the 4 cups of shredded sweet potato. We're gonna add them, and then once they become a pale orange, almost yellow, that's when we'll add in our barbecue sauce. This may look like a lot of shredded sweet potato, but this will cook down significantly. I also want to let you know to keep your olive oil handy so that when it's cooking, it won't stick to the pan and you can use it whenever you need it. Our sweet potatoes are at the halfway point. They're not quite all the way cooked, but this is the time we're going to add our spices, and then I'm also going to sprinkle in a little bit of salt. I turned the temperature down because the potatoes are fully cooked through. You can see that they significantly cook down, so you kind of know that's when they're ready. Now I'm going to add my barbecue sauce in, and I'm going to start with a little bit and add more to taste. I like my sloppy joes extra sloppy, so I think from this 18-ounce bottle I'll use probably 6 ounces. So I'm just going to dump it right in, and at this point I'm really just trying to heat up the barbecue sauce. It doesn't really need to cook anymore. Alright, let's give that a mix and see what it's like. This looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to take it off the heat and package it for a picnic dinner.